Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've got a cheap Optus phone right here. And here we have a microwave, as you may see right here. Today we are microwaving this Optus phone due to it being too slow and too pretty much unresponsive. So it's basically manufacturing e-waste, as Hugh Jeffrey says about phones that are purchased like through China and all that. Just gonna move some stuff out of the way temporarily. Unfortunately, I couldn't connect it to Wi-Fi as, I'm not sure why I couldn't connect it to my hotspot, but yeah, I was gonna do like pull up a YouTube video and do like a little brag about it, but there is food in the microwave. Hold on, I'll just get this out, guys. Sorry about that. Just put this on the table for now. Yeah, so we're gonna slot this phone in here. I might see if I can find the ringtones that are on this. Like, find the sounds. Because this phone is really difficult. Where is the sounds app? I mean, where's the sound settings? Nah, it's not in that now, whatever. We'll just put it in the microwave. Position it like this. Phone is definitely in there. About to get cooked up, and I'm only just gonna do about a couple seconds until the phone starts like sparking. I'm gonna do it for like a couple seconds, so as soon as it starts sparking. Okay, a little second, it still works. Oh, I heard something. There we go. Okay, we're starting back up. Smell that, guys? That is definitely burnt plastic. How can it burn up that easily? We're gonna boot up. Of course we are. Chuck it back in the microwave. In the microwave you go. Gonna turn on. See if it still works for long enough. See if it actually boots up. I mean, we haven't tested out the full functions of this phone, but yeah, already up in the Optus logo, but we can smell something a bit funky about this phone. I mean, we can already smell something. Like, it's definitely not the battery, because the battery would smell like nail polish, like an iPhone would. Because I've tested out iPhone batteries before, and they've like just smoked like a smoke grenade. Okay, we're turning back on. Does the camera work? We've got a low battery, but this phone was at 3%, so let me check the battery percentage to see if the wave feature can charge your iPhone, or pretty much any phone, to like 4%. This was on 3%, so yeah, definitely the microwave has done something to make the battery 4%. So let's see if we can bump it up to 9%, or at least 32%. Bump it up a little. Just chuck it in. More than 2 seconds, but I'm surprised. Chuck it in for a little more. Heard a couple clicking sounds. Still going. Yeah, so my hotspot did pop up on my phone before starting this video, but it wouldn't connect, so that's why I'm kind of throwing out this phone, because this phone's getting slow. It connected to my home Wi-Fi back where I used to live, but My new house is going to get Wi-Fi connection, and that's why I haven't been uploading videos for pretty much a long time. I've been doing videos like with the internet or with my hotspot. I haven't gotten the chance to upload them yet, but let's see what percentage we're on. Okay, so zoom in for you. We're still at 4%. 3% actually. We're actually getting to 3%. Unhelpful. This phone is actually stronger than any other iPhone, so chuck it in. It stayed on. But it was doing the volume buttons. Okay, what is it doing? What is it doing? Okay, so it stayed on, but okay. Ooh, I thought I saw the flashlight turn on. This phone is doing some weird stuff. Can I click? Yes, I can, but the phone was saying that the phone was hot, like something closed on it. Camera still works, but the phone was in like, was the flashlight flashing? Must have been a reflection, but yeah, I'm recording with my iPad, so it's doing it again. Okay, what is going on? Yeah, we'll just leave it. Turned off. Restarting. We'll do it on the logo. Now the phone's fully turned off. We're actually really hot, so you know what, we'll just torture it for a split second. For the phone that does not want to die in the microwave. It was already cracked right there, so yeah. Yeah, so we are still booting up, it looks like. No way. Not even a single change on the pixels. Besides that little drop I did. Didn't crack the screen because of its screen protector. Okay, still getting that same warning right there. That does not look good. Something is up with the phone. It keeps on saying it. Like, can I go in the camera? Does the camera work? Yes, it does, but in a real shit quality state. It kept bringing up that little error. I'm actually not sure what was damaged on the phone, but the phone like still works perfectly. Like, I can't even hear any like distortions on the speaker like you would on cheap Chinese phones or tablets. But we are going to be doing it one last time, but I'm going to leave it for more longer. Yep, heard the louder noise. Ooh, yeah. Definitely take that, bring it out. That was actually sparking up. Okay, I heard the vibration. Wow. We cooked? We cooked? I think we are. How easy was that? Battery's still in good condition. And the battery's out. So the battery doesn't even have a smell to it. It's still in good condition. It's not even swelling up. So we're going to put the battery back in the phone. Going to get the back cover. And see if we want to work. Because when I took it out of the microwave, I felt the phone vibrate. I guess we're not powering off then. Powering on then. Anyways, guys, this ends it for part 1. Maybe there might be a part 2 for this phone. If it starts working, I'll give you guys a little update on my channel. But until then, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Toodles!